Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to press and hold the light button to open the controls menu. So let's press and hold the button. Once the controls menu opens, you can swipe on the screen like this, around the clock or around the screen, to scroll through the list of options. What you need to do is to find the Do Not Disturb mode icon and select it. And once you select it, you will see the status of the Do Not Disturb mode. As you can see, at the moment it's turned off. And what we need to do is to turn it on. And to do it, press the upper button. The icon will change the color, the status will change to on, and that means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And if you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, open the control menu, select the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and then press the start button to change the status to off. And the icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And of course, once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.